Okay, so just sticking with this image, I don't know why I'm sticking with this image, but I am. One thing that we can do also, and again, while we're here, I just want to cover these last few elements of some of these drop downs. Why don't we look at tone curve? I kind of skipped over that and went right to HSL, but let's look at that just a little bit, okay? Tone curve is, and again, we don't go over it right away because I actually find the adjustment tools up here very effective. But tone curve is a nice way to selectively, it's kind of like a mask. It's a little bit more all over. But again, it's just another way of fine tuning an image. So tone curve right now, like when it comes in, is a straight line. Okay, and that's the image, that's the pixel information of your image from lights to darks to midtones, all this stuff. Okay, so again, I actually like these little sliders here. Adjust tone curve by dragging in the photo. Okay, so again, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to hover over the old countertop and I'm going to click, and dragging down is going to make it darker and I can see my curve bending. All right, but I want to add a little bit more contrast. So I'm going to drag up a little bit and I can see my image kind of getting a little bit more contrasty. All right, so I just kind of bent the curve right there. So now I'm going to like hang out in the cutting board. I want to add a little bit more like mid-tone to the cutting board. So again, I'm going to hover over this and I'm going to drag down a little bit. I'm actually pick a little darker area. That's kind of adding just a little bit more information to that. Now I'm going to hover over the cucumber and I'm going to drag up because I want to lighten that a little bit. That's going to add a little bit into the image. Ooh, not too much, it starts to get a little wacky. Okay, so there I made some subtle adjustments to the curve. Not a lot, okay, because I'm not really trying to, distort the image in any way. I'm just trying to be very subtle about what happens with the image. Okay, so that's one way you can kind of play around with the tone curve. All right. Um, yeah, we'll stop there. I'll make one more different video.